In this video, we're going to talk about why steel prices have increased so dramatically in the last year. Steel prices. The biggest question around today is, when will steel prices go down? The steel industry has been hit hard with price increases and typically without warning. That has a lot of companies wondering if they should wait to buy stockpiles or go ahead and bite the bullet and purchase at these record prices. Consumers are also wondering why prices are going up for everything, and they start asking themselves, are prices of our day-to-day items ever going to come back down? Today you will learn why steel prices are increasing and how it affects your foundation repair. I'm sure you've noticed price increases in almost anything, whether it be your food, your cars, your vehicles. Everything has gone up in price. I don't think there's been one thing that actually has gone down in price over the last year, 2020 and 2021. We're also probably going to see this continue through 2022. That being said, steel prices is one of the things that was hit the most and has seen the most amount of increase within the United States. The reason being is because steel is in a lot of different things. You know, a lot of people during the COVID lockdowns weren't going out, weren't going on vacations. They're buying new cars, they're buying new appliances, they're updating their houses. That stuff, a lot of that stuff has steel in it. The steel mills were not ready for that type of increase in supply or in the demand. So they started rationing out and becoming short on steel. Well, guess what? In our foundation repair products, almost all of it is steel. So that's why you start seeing the price increases, not only in your day-to-day appliances and cars and vehicles, but you also see it in the foundation repair industry because of the steel increases that are passed directly on to us, the installers. All right, so let's talk about steel prices when it comes specifically to your foundation repair project. So since 2020, we have seen steel prices increase by 50% in the foundation repair industry. Now that's cost directly to us for the products that we buy to fix your home. We buy our products from manufacturers throughout the US, who are then buying the steel from steel mills throughout the US. And each one is buying a large amount of product just to try to keep up and keep supplies in stock for us as foundation repair contractors. Now, some manufacturers have ran out of material or are limiting the amount of material some people can buy. We've been very proactive in wanting to make sure that we can provide a service to you. So we have stockpiled a lot of foundation repair products just to make sure we can take care of your home's foundation repair problems. All right, so you're on the fence of, well, should I get my foundation repair fixed now, or should I wait to see if prices start to go down? Well, just so you know, the steel prices and foundation repair prices have continuously gone up. Just like you're seeing the gas go up, you're seeing your home price go up, your value of your home go up. Everything's gonna continue to go up until there's a leveling out period, and we have not got there yet. So I would love to tell you that, yeah, in 6 months from now, we'll probably have a leveling out period and we may be able to do foundation repair cheaper, but that hasn't been the case for the last year and a half, almost 2 years since the pandemic started. So if I was you and you really wanted to get your home's foundation fixed to get your other remodel projects or get your house sold, I would definitely look at getting the process started sooner than later, just because there's probably going to be another price increase right around the corner that we don't even know about yet. So the one good thing that we can do here at Dalinghaus Construction, because we've stockpiled inventory, is if you sign up with us with your foundation repair project today, tomorrow, that price that is given to you is your price. You're not going to see another price increase because we've already purchased that material. We have it in stock, and we don't have to pass on any additional costs. Now, once a increase in the steel prices happens, then yes, we will have to do a increase in price, which will impact your foundation repair project. At Dalinghaus Construction, our price is valid for 30 days. Now that means from the day we do the inspection or you receive your proposal, that price is your price. After your 30 days is up, then we're gonna have to see where the steel prices are at that time, and if we have to do any sort of increases because of additional material costs to us. So if you're gonna make a decision on your house to get your home's foundation fixed, do it sooner than later so you can lock in those savings. So if you're having additional questions about anything to do with foundation repair, the construction industry, or you're looking to get started on your own home's foundation repair project, click the upper right-hand corner and get started off of our website. That'll put you in touch with our office, who then will get in touch with you to get the process rolling. Thank you for watching this video, and hope you guys enjoyed learning more about the increasing steel prices. Please get those prices locked in today, because you never want to settle for increases that you don't have to occur if you do it today versus doing it tomorrow.